Oh God. What is? Oh man.
What'd you find?
I don't know. There's probably something in there though.
It's stuck.
Oh, there's water. We'll be right back.
That's nice. But this thing's got fucking. I like this hood the best. It's got patina. Dude, wait till it looks better than this one. I think it's solid. It's got a little more. It's probably got the same V, but it's solid. It's got a lot of patina.
I don't understand. I don't know what I'm looking at, to be honest with you.
Look at the size of this. Some classic stuff here, man. Oh, okay, okay.
I'm not into your stuff.
I'm gonna try and. Oh, geez, it's heavy. How did I get it up here?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this in. Just like.
All right, here's the plan.
All right, if you can just flop me.
I'm gonna lift it.
Yeah.
Try to move this out a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave your foot away.
Yes. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
It's gotta do a little wiggle to it.
The patina.
You want this on the grass or on the concrete?
I haven't decided. Concrete. Let's put her in the center. Is it easy or?
Yeah, that's not too bad. Your end's not locked up. That's good.
Looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, I feel like we should be in the shade. It seems kind of fucking.
Yeah, a little toasty.